Trooper Jacob Byrd was alerted to a dark passenger car traveling down University Avenue at speeds close to 90 miles per hour. Moments later, the vehicle passed the trooper's position at 107 miles per hour, with its headlights turned completely off.
University, where I go westbound on the 30. So where do I need to go?
Stand by. We are 1037, Adam John. Stand by. And stop it. Adam John 10 William. Service Road at University from 30.
Turn on the Maroon, Chevy Capri, and low on 756, 756.
Driver, turn the car off now! 1037. On the service road headed toward Dark Springs. Crossing Dark Springs, getting on to 30 eastbound. Crashed out at 65th and 30. I've got a box truck telling me that he took off on foot west on 65th, west on 65th. The car's clear, car's clear.
The pursuit enters Interstate 30 East, where the driver extinguishes his headlights again in the darkness. The flight ends abruptly at the 65th Street exit when the sedan veers off the asphalt, striking multiple road signs and a concrete culvert.
On the interstate? Interstate?
Front and left and up for the bridge.
He said he got on the interstate. He ran to get back on the westbound toward the interstate. I've got him on the service road. The black male, white shirt. Road going toward Coca-Cola.
Get on the ground now! Get on the ground! I'm not playing with you! Get on the ground!
Following a medical clearance at the hospital, the driver was booked into the Pulaski County Jail. He faces multiple charges, including felony fleeing, reckless driving, and leaving the scene of an accident. Trooper Josh Middleton attempted to stop a white Audi passenger car on Interstate 40 for following too closely and displaying an obstructed license plate. The driver refused to yield, eventually accelerating to high speeds to evade the traffic stop.
I'm at the 183. That's correct.
CFS received. CFS comments added.
What's your speed?
75 right now. We're stuck in traffic.
CFS comments added.
Speed's 100. In and out of traffic.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 177. Speed's 96.
CFS comments added.
Trying to get your mic out here in the 183.
Tempo. Speed's 115.
CFS comments added.
Passing the 178. Speed's 120.
CFS comments added.
Passing on the right shoulder. Speed's 106.
Passing on.
I've got spikes in the 183. I'm right here at the exit.
CFS comments added.
Tempo.
I've got the spikes right here on that exit, so I can just pull straight to me.
Alright, well he's coming up on that semi, so I don't think you're going to be able to.
CFS comments added.
No, you're not going to be able to. He's coming right at you on the right shoulder.
CFS comments added.
Yeah, back off of him, back off of him.
The Audi reaches speeds of approximately 120 miles per hour, passing traffic along the interstate shoulder. Near mile marker 183, Corporal Jacob Price deploys spike strips, successfully deflating the front passenger side tire.
Spikes. 183. Still responding. Looks like he's going to stop.
Yeah, well, I did. Go ahead, Stevie.
Comments added.
Felony takedown.
Felony takedown.
Hands! Hands! Hands!
The suspect, identified as Eric Daniel Santos, stated he fled because he believed his own vehicle was stolen. He was transported to the Lonoke County Detention Center and charged with felony fleeing in a vehicle and misdemeanor fleeing on foot.